This is your cold drinks. You take it your hot drinks. How many hot drinks? 4. Salad, pistachio,
Wala na tayong
abba. Yes.
Ito, dalawang orange na lang at saka ang
Lemon.
may lemon lang.
Yan lang. This one for us?
Yes.
Ang hindi man, wala lang daw, uniform lang. Ayun lang pa.
Wala daw.
Ano ba?
Only uniform is, you see,
Wala daw request.
what you looking there?
Huh?
What you are looking there? Uniform is traditional and the things are British.
Ay,
What do you do?
Wala naman daw.
sabi?
Oh, baka magreklamo.
Maglagay ka lang. Tigisa. Hot and cold tapos.
You take it 1-1.
Yeah. They will
This is good for you.
ask the madam. Dito na.
Ganda lang.
Ay, nagpang ka din ng traditional class.
Wala.
Ay, yung ginger ale.
Sa dalang natin. Pwede na lang, maliit lang kasi. Malaki kasi ito.
Ang dalawa mo na lang.
Dalawa na lang.
Ang dalawa. Sino yan? Dalawa. Tapos, yan, dala ka ng dalawang buwan. Okay. Dala ka lang ng dalawang buwan. Yung wala na pula, parang may parang mayroong kwan. May ganito ba? Ito yun, wala. Ay, iba-iba yan? Saan ang pula yan?
Yeah, you take it, take it.
Ito lang lahat. Wala.
Ito na ang pula dyan.
Na hindi natin magdala ng pang
Magdala na lang din tayo ng
tray.
tray. Tig-isa. Baka
Isa na lang.
magtali.
No, Mallu, you take it this one. Na?
Ha?
Why you make separate?
Because
Problem, this one.
This one, no plates, this one.
Okay.
Not good.
Not good, yeah.
Saan mo ba dyan?
Also change the Gava cup.
No need.
Yeah, no need. Why no need? This is golden.
Oh, golden pa lang.
Palada.
Talaga ka talaga. Wala na.
What is talaga?
Oh, ito na lang.
Mallu, what is talaga?
Ang bot ni mo.
Said yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Yes. Ah, tatlo na lang pala to.
Di ba? Yan lang man. Oh. Yan lang.
No, this one is golden.
But no
It's okay.
more.
No more.
Only this. Magkuha ka na lang ng tatlong kuwan.
Tatlong
Plates. Ito.
Gold na lang meron na.
Meron na.
Yung pang
Nagdala ka lang ng tray at kuwan kung case of emergency.
malayo bang puntahan.
Kaya nga, tray.
Now time is changed. Now first 7. Now 7:30.
Oh my gosh.
Maafi mushkila. Outside weather is good. Yeah, good. Outside weather.
Oh, yan na lang natin gamitin.
Oh, wag na to.
Huwag na yan.
Pero kung kunamin yan, baka maraming tao.
Yun ay. Pero may maraming naman yung maliit.
Yan na lang gamitin natin na full.
Cold. Yun na lang. Di ba?
Hindi naman niya mapupan.
Hindi naman halata. Huwag na lang. Ang ito na lang ang palitan natin.
Alin?
Ang kaso na yung maliit.
Yan na ba? Palta na natin yun.
Palitan natin. 15. Baka maraming tao. Eh, wala eh. Ito na order po.
Ito palta natin.
Palitan na lang natin.
Oo, para di. Kasi mga pilang ng buwan natin. Ay, sulong suwada.
Tomorrow 50 guests and 4 ladies.
50 for ladies.
na yun. Pagka na lang natin. Hindi 15-15 lang. Umaprank.
This is understood. There is no 15.
Yeah, you know.
All, yeah,
Problem at mother in me.
they are roasted the company. Only tell 15 and there is 50.
The problem is our drinks, only little.
Yeah,
That's the problem.
because they order the 15.
Yeah.
Really, I think Marble have only one husband. Why Madam say like this?
Me, I have two husbands.
Now you know your problems now.
But me, I don't get married. Married?
Yeah, you married.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
I'm still single now.
Mashallah. What you do in your country? All guys
Capture
say.
first, but then marriage. No. No, because in our country, you must think properly. You know, there's a lot of married people and they separated. In Philippines, it's very hard to separate.
Allahu Akbar.
Too much expensive.
Ano? Ano, isa lang. Sir pa. Ano? Yung red ka, walang medyo may red dyan.
May yung malaki.
Sabi malaki. Nahirapan ka dalawa.
Iba-ibang kulay.
Ayun na yung may pink print. Ano ba yun? Nagsulit ka.
Ano? Para magamit next year.
Only two enough.
Yeah, ito rin. Pangat yan. Ito na lang dalawa. Papapiliin lang natin siya.
Bismillah. You want well done?
Yeah, she won.
Ay, punta na yun.
Yeah, fool. I. Next, when Adidas offer?
What? So much no time. I told you already.
What time you told me?
Before. Before.
No,
You
you
didn't
did
make-
not tell me.
Ay!
Malu,
You did not remember. And you tell me, Nahid, you have said. Yeah.
you did not tell me Adidas sale.
I tell you.
If Adidas sale, I will buy shoes.
Yeah. I